Hey everyone, welcome back to Cocktails and Cribs. Today we're in the awesome community of Somerset in southwest Calgary, and I thought, let's make an awesome cocktail, one of my favorites. We're gonna make the whiskey sour. We'll see if Rob likes it.
Slim chance, slim to none.
So for whiskey sour, you're gonna need a few things. One, whiskey. I prefer bourbon. You can use rye, but I do know that some people don't like egg whites, so that is definitely optional. Let's build a cocktail. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of our bourbon. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of most everything else. We do 1/2 ounce of citrus, and we actually balance it out with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. I didn't want you to sit there and watch me go back and forth.
Spilling it in.
I've already done the cracking of the eggs, so we'll just put a little bit there. Now, a lot of people leave it at this point, but I like to add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, not just for the garnish at the end, but they're actually a strong ingredient in the cocktail. And then before we add ice and shake, we're going to do a dry shake to frothy it up a lot with that egg white.
That's a quiet shake.
It's a quiet shake, but it's still a shake. We got our ice, and we're going to do a wet shake. There we go. Double strain our cocktail. A little swath of lemon here.
Decorative.
There we have our whiskey sour.
Well, here we are.
Here we are for the first time drinking the whiskey sour. We
totally haven't tasted this yet.
definitely didn't taste it while not recording.
Where we just talked about the camera crew and
We were.
how on point.
We were just ripping on them. Unfortunately, they weren't recording that either, so there's no evidence. So the whiskey sour, we've been talking about this one for a while.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. I think it's fair to say that you and I are both whiskey fans.
Yeah, that'd be my go-to, I think.
Yeah.
Pick anything off the shelf.
Yeah. So I am excited to see what your reaction
Me too.
will be for the second time. When you drink this cocktail.
I'm so excited to see your reaction again, now that we're actually recording.
Cheers.
At least we have some laugh.
That's true. We didn't drink it all before we realized we weren't recording. Yeah, that's good.
It's like the first time.
I really do like it. Feels like the first time.
That is delicious. I want to ask where the sour name comes from, because it doesn't taste particularly sour.
Yeah, so drinks in the sour family, they're in that grouping of drinks because they have a primary ingredient of citrus.
Which makes sense.
Usually lemon.
Lemon juice on its own would be sour, but
Yeah.
when it's combined and balanced like this,
It's fantastic.
it doesn't make you pucker up. It's not particularly sour type of flavor. Like, we've had some other drinks in this family that have some similarity, but I'm always amazed how much just changing a couple things
Yeah,
really changes the end
changes the
result.
whole identity of the drink.
It's got some heft to it.
Yeah.
It's got some body.
Yeah, one more sip. Oh, I do like it. That's a good one.
Yeah.
You know what else is good?
What else is good?
This house that we're in.
I've heard. It's really nice. Yeah.
Welcome to 10 Summer Glen Crescent in southwest Calgary. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and the best part, a fully developed walkout basement. Take a look.